From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast, and I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Poteet. And always love talking food on the Funcast, and there's a lot of it in the Smokies. Variety, quantity, what do you want? We've got it. Gatlinburg Sky Park is having a Pancakes in the Park event. That'll be Saturday, July 26th, and they're doing that early in the morning. The best time for pancakes, right? 6:45 a.m. until 8 a.m. All you can eat pancakes and breakfast with a view at their brand new Clayton's Landing that they're doing, the expansion project. Full day park access is included. It's a great opportunity to enjoy the Sky Trail before the heat of the day, after you've had the heat of that warm syrup over the pancakes. A very cool way to start your Saturday. That's Saturday, July 26th at the Sky Park. If you're looking to beat the heat just in general over the next few days, now's a great time to visit Dollywood's Splash Country. Families love it. It's been voted a top 10 outdoor water park by USA Today readers. With the big slides, the sparkling pools, family-friendly splash zones, all tucked into the shaded beauty of the Great Smoky Mountains. A recent story in our travel tips section is all about beating the heat with rafting and kayaking and tubing in the Smokies. From the heart-pounding upper Pigeon River to the more relaxed lower Pigeon River. Plenty of wonderful ways to get wet. And the story itself has detailed links to help you easily plan some kayaking on Douglas Lake or tubing on Little River in Townsend. And you could always stay cool just by staying at a cabin with pool access. That's easy enough to find. And you could hike to one of the many waterfalls in the Smokies. One calendar highlight for you this weekend. It's the last day of the Gatlinburg's Craftsman's Fair. The Gatlinburg Craftsman's Fair wraps up on Sunday. The fair will be back in October, and so will cooler weather. But in the meantime, you get this every day. It looks like high temperatures in the Smokies generally will be 90 or hotter all the way through this 7-day forecast period. There will be some scattered showers and storms, mainly in the afternoon and evening this weekend, and a chance at any time on Monday. The chance begins to shrink as a big ridge of high pressure, a heat dome in the upper atmosphere, builds in the east again. So I think that we'll be up in the mid-90s by Wednesday and Thursday with not much of a rain chance then. Always a chance of a good time, a very good chance when you visit mysmokies.com.